Okay, so welcome back to Quarry. We're on like what episode? Well, chapter 5, isn't it? Chapter 5. White noise.
Hey, I couldn't find anything to eat. The kitchen's pretty cleaned out. Oh shoot, I left my bag. I brought you this.
That was... Fuck. I don't even know what happened. It was all just a blur.
How are you feeling?
How are you holding up?
I'm... well, I'm just happy you're okay. Are you okay? I'm sorry, I just asked you that.
It's okay.
Alright, they're off to find a radio or something.
What's with the,
They found another in Mr. H's office, so... just in case.
what happened to the lights?
Not sure. Any better?
I'm doing okay. Kinda.
Wait, are they going to the radio hut?
Phone's dead. They're gonna try to send out an SOS or something. We're holding down the fort.
I thought you said Dylan and Ryan already left.
Wait, stay here. I'll check it out.
We don't know what's out there. It could be dangerous.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna check it out.
No sign of them.
When you find them, let them. And keep me posted, Bobby.
so this may not be like the best time per se, but like,
What?
yeah, so like I was just, thinking about like the start of summer and when we first met and the start of camp and well, like now that summer's over and, is that like the last time we're gonna see each other,
Sorry, Nick, what are you saying?
Hey, don't worry about Caitlin, she's tough.
I know. I'm sorry, Nick. I'm just distracted. Get through the night, okay?
Maybe I was misreading the situation back there, but kind of felt like a little bit more was gonna happen.
Well, did you want a little bit more to happen?
Duh, are you dumb?
Hey,
Sorry. I just mean, of course I wanted it to happen. I just didn't know if you did too.
that seems like such a long time ago now.
You did want it to happen though.
I-
You can tell me.
yeah, I guess.
You're just saying that because I'm hurt.
Nick. What is going on out there, Caitlin? We've died. We've died.
It's okay, I got this.
Oh my god.
What happened? Jesus, where's the gun?
We gotta get out.
No, we have to hide.
Got you, girlie. Oh, you're mine.
She's mine!
So the Radio Hut has like an actual radio? I thought it was just like for your morning announcements.
Oh yeah, yeah. It used to be more of a actual radio station, actually. I mean, it is still technically, but nobody brings their radio to camp anymore.
Yeah.
It's weird, actually, that there used to be kids with their radio and their portable CD player and everything, and nowadays everything we need is on the phone. But Mr. Hackett takes it on the first day at camp so that we're not distracted by technology.
Technology, it giveth and it taketh. So is that something like that you want to go into?
Camp radio?
No, like DJing or music or something.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I like.
Shit, I didn't
music.
even realize. I thought that they
I
were
think
still
I want to
talking.
major in quantum physics.
I need to take a drink. I'm sorry.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
You don't really seem like a science guy.
Oh,
Oh
I'm
yeah.
trying.
I mean, not here.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm so completely fascinated by this. What do you mean by not here?
Not here at camp. I do that at home, and then here,
You're a wise wise cracking smartass?
That's a little harsh, but
No?
okay, so maybe I was a little nervous when I arrived in an uncomfortable social situation, and I overcompensated a little bit by making a bunch of jokes.
You played into it.
Yeah, I mean, people kind of enjoyed the blasé Dylan.
And do you enjoy the blase, Dylan?
Not yet, like, whatever, man. It's pretty cool. It's fine. I like Dylan.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Dylan. I'm Ryan. Well, actually, I'm let's get the fuck out of here, Ryan.
Yeah, I like him. That makes a lot of sense. Oh. Something like that could really take your hands off.
What is this doing at a kid's summer camp?
I don't know, man. It wasn't here over the summer. I mean, if it was, then we would have noticed that, right?
Whatever it was trying to catch, you can't now.
Trying to find like all the clothes, even though like I know that like it really does not make any difference as long as I get like all the evidence.
So that's why Nurse Kelly went home early. Oh, what in the name of voodoo doo-doo is this?
I like how if you missed that in the first chapter, um, like it now it gives you a chance to like um get it now.
Huh.
Yes, boys. Find the fucking tarot card.
All good?
I want to see. Yeah.
All good?
Oh, huh?
Okay, when I was a camper here, it was barely working. It hadn't been used for years, and it took me a really long time, actually, to get this place cleaned up and looking the way it is. So, I'm sorry if it's not up to your standards, but I've been putting in a lot of TLC,
Okay. Okay.
Let me get this set up. All right.
Anything over here we can use?
The power tools? No. That's Mr. H wanted more storage, so it's kind of how he lets me keep the station going.
Gotcha. So, how far does it go?
Oh, well, it was designed just to broadcast to the PAs around camp for announcements and to, portable radios and whatever. So, I think the range is about a mile.
How do you even know all this stuff?
I just kind of picked it up.
The technical stuff has always been a little hard for me to get a handle on.
Well, if you like, I could show you the ropes.
Like a class?
Yeah, it's easy. Like climbing.
Sign me up, teach.
Anyways, this thing's gonna need a bit of a power up, but that's where this comes in.
Dust magnet.
It's supposed to be a signal booster. It's kind of janky looking, but it's worth giving a shot.
So, we can actually talk to people with this thing?
Ryan, like, are you really that fucking clueless on technology?
Yeah, well, it's not a two-way radio, so, we can talk, but then the best we can do is switch it over to the receiver and see if anyone broadcasts anything back, which is unlikely, but...
Well, it is what it is, I guess.
Yeah. So, what should I say?
I'm 75
just,
now, and
make it sound
I
urgent.
can't remember anybody except the Queen being there.
Hello, how's it going out there? This is, we need help. This is, we are counselors at Hackett's Quarry Summer Camp, and there's been a horrible accident, attack, some stuff bad here. We need your help. There is a swarm of bears, and they are everywhere, and there's these hunters too, and they seem to be shooting at the bears, but also at us, which is not good, and a few of our friends are hurt. And we are in desperate need of help, so please,
another space that they created,
bears,
when you're looking at it on TV,
we don't know what to do,
nice
so
and full,
please
but then sometimes
come help us, SOS. This is an emergency, save our ship. Come on down, please help us.
Coming in today, her shift started.
Did I do good?
Is that
Swarm of bears?
Oh, she's to be able to ring you. She's literally just
Herd of
holding
bears.
sick. Oh, okay,
Yeah, I've heard
fine.
of bears.
At least that's no doubt.
Alright, I guess I should just switch this over to the receiver and see if we
Morning.
back.
It was just
Okay,
about
yeah, I'm
getting
gonna
my
keep an eye
pajamas,
out
so
while
I
you do all
decided
this
for a chill Sunday
techie
afternoon, and then I
stuff.
realised I'd not for lunch this tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So we went to the shops to get a couple of bits. It'll be the quickest ever. But what we're going to do is we're going to bring you.
Check it.
radio, but no response. I'm gonna head to the...
Wait, did he say lodge?
The other counselor.
I don't know. Hold on.
2 males in the radio shack near the cabins. Another couple unaccounted for. Copy that. Out.
We can't be sure they were talking about us.
I don't know. It really sounded like they were.
But that's not possible, right? Shit.
They know where we are, man.
We can't stay here.
Shit.
Hey, let's stay calm, okay? Let's go find Caitlin and everybody, okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay. Why didn't you tell me that there's something out there?
I wasn't sure, man.
Fuck, what the fuck was that?
I have no idea.
Ryan? Is it a bear?
I don't think bears can jump like that.
What is that, Ryan?
Fuck.
What?
Caitlin, Abby, and Nick, they're coming up the path.
Shit.
They're coming toward us. We gotta warn them. What about the PA?
Up top? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can tell them to hide or something.
Fuck, no. Oh, shit. Hold the button.
Caitlin, get into a building now. Do not come up here. There's an animal outside the radio hut. Just get into a cabin now. Go!
Oh, fuck, dude.
They're gone.
What now?
Okay, is there anything we can do?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's just an animal, right? I mean, maybe we can scare it off?
Well, yeah. I mean, if it has hearing like a dog, maybe we can play like a really high-pitched feedback loop and just blast it. And I mean, it would hurt like hell, but you know.
Do it.
Okay. Okay. Come on, Dylan. Let's do this. Come on. It's almost...
Hey, Dylan, just take a breath. I'm sure you can figure it out.
Okay, yeah. Right. There's something missing. What's missing? Oh, crap. I pulled the wire.
Fix it. I'll cover you. Do it now. Go, quickly.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Oh, fucking spreading. You have to cut it off. Cut it off. Cut it off. Shit. Fuck. Oh, okay. Just hang on. Fuck. Are you sure? Yes, fucking do it! Fucking do it! The wire, get the wire.
What?
Get the wire. The thing, get it on it. Plug it into the thing. Keep pressure on it. What do I do? The button. Blew the speaker.
It did the trick. Nice work, Dylan.
Oh, fuck, my hand.
Right. Okay. Just hold on.
Why did you do that?
You told me to.
That was a bad idea.
Is it safe?
I think we're okay for now.
We ran into one of those hunter guys.
Ah, crap.
Yeah, chased us out of the lodge. I think we lost him on the way up here. You get a message out?
I think so.
Great. What the hell was going on at... Oh my god! Dylan, what happened?
Oh, I'm okay. I mean, I'm not. But it doesn't hurt.
Okay, you're in shock. Holy fucking shit. Did that thing do this?
No. Well, sort of. Caitlin, where's your gun?
I lost it. One of the friendly locals wanted to say hi.
What the fuck?
Did she shoot at us?
Who's there?
Who was she?
Should we follow her? Oh shit, Dylan, what is that? Oh my god!
If I was fire, it would be the rainfall. If I was stars, you'd be these city lights. If I was a moon in the sky, oh baby, I want your cloud come and darken my night to be where you are.
Back with her again.
Oh, you're back. Looks like that's one less vermin in the world. Let's take a look once more. Here we have the Hermit. With the Hermit comes isolation, loneliness, but reflection, too. Perhaps, given some thought, the hermit who gives chase can guide you to safety. But that all depends on your actions, not his. I want to show you more. Would that be all right?
I mean, like, I'm never gonna say no, but I feel like she doesn't really necessarily tell me that much stuff.
We spend so much time looking toward the future. It's easy to forget that the past holds secrets too. Worth remembering that. So it's goodbye again. I'll be here. I'll wait for you.
Okay, so that is the end of what, chapter 4? So we don't give evidence, clues. I just need 4 more there. Obviously missed one there. And 3 more there. So that is episode 5 done. And I will see you in episode 6. Well, chapter 6, whatever.